What's up, guys? So in today's video we'll be unboxing the Ematic 4K Ultra HD Android TV box. As you can see, I have the box with me, and it's promising a lot. It says here that it is Google certified with Google Play here, and it also has Google Assistant, and the Netflix application, YouTube, Prime Video, and Showmax are pre-installed. And as you can see, here is the badge of Google certification. So we're going to check all that out and see if it's really Google certified. You can get this box for about $80. I got this box on Takealot in South Africa, but you can also get it on Amazon. I will put the link in the description for you to go and check it out and buy it if you really like it. And now let's just go through all the features that it has. So here it says it is Google certified and Netflix certified as well. It is Android 9 or newer. It has 2 USB ports and 1 times Ethernet ports. You can also do voice search, obviously. Here it says that it has Google Assistant, so it means you'll be able to control it using your voice. That's a good thing, right? And then the memory, we have 8 gigabytes of flash memory. It also has wireless casting with 4K and HDR support. And then Bluetooth 4.2, and the RAM is DDR, which is 2 gigabytes. And it also supports dual band Wi-Fi. All right, and then let's open the box. Let's open our box and see if we have everything inside. Okay, so there is a plastic coating just to protect your box. All right, let's see. There we go. Oh, there's tape here. Let me just cut our tape so that we can open nicely. All right, there we go. So here is our box. Our box is open. Let's see what's inside. So we have our Android TV box. It's so small in size, so we're going to look at it further later on. Let's put it on the side. All right, and then if you go under, there is more to come. Let's see. In the inside there, we have our charger, our power pack. And let's see the specifications of the power supply. I don't know if you can see. This is a 10-watt power supply that is 5 volts and 2 amps. So that's our power supply. And then it also comes with the HDMI cable. It's not really long, but it's enough. Obviously, you'll be having your Android TV box near your TV, so I'm sure the length will not be a problem. Or you can just buy a longer cable if your setup is different. And we also have our remote. So as you can see, our remote comes with shortcuts to Google Play, to Netflix, and YouTube as well. And then this one is for Google Assistant. So this is the one you press if you want to control using your voice. So it means this remote is an inbuilt microphone for you to be able to use your voice to control it. And obviously this is an off and on switch, and then other controls, the home button and a voice plus, minus, and all the other things. All right, I don't think it comes with batteries, so I'll probably will need to add mine. Let's just check to see if there are any batteries inside. It's pretty tiny. The remote is pretty tiny. There you go. So it uses AAA batteries, but they do not ship with batteries, so you will have to pay an extra $10 to get yourself batteries. All right, and then what's left in the box? So we also have the user manual. The user manual, it's in English. It's in English, but I'm sure wherever you are, you'll be able to get in your language. Okay, so this will help you to do all the setting up. Well, I'll help you with that, so you probably won't need this manual, but it's a good thing that you be having it in the box. All right, so this is what you get in the box. So the remote here, your HDMI cable, your charger, and your box. So this is what will be shipped if you buy the Ematic 4K Android TV box. And then let's just have a look around our TV box. So as you can see, this is a tiny box. If you compare it to other boxes, you can actually put this in your pocket and walk around with it. So there we have it, the logo the Ematic logo. I don't know if you can see it clearly. There, that's our Ematic logo. That's all that you can see. Otherwise, everything else is just black. All right, and then let's look at the ports now. So here we have our two USB ports. And then we also have HDMI EM, and then we have our Ethernet EM, and here we have our power ports, and this is for AV, for audio and visual. That's about it. So this is our Ematic box. It looks fine, it looks okay. The finish them, it's shiny on the sides, as you can see, and if you look close, you can see that my fingerprints are already showing. Obviously, you won't be touching your Android TV box every day because you'll be using the remote. But this finish, I'm not really liking it. It's shiny, but at the moment that you just touch it, your fingerprints will remain there. You see, I don't know if you can see properly here, but there are fingerprints marks. I just opened this box now, but already my fingerprints are all over the Android TV box. But the top is a bit rough in a good way. I think I would have preferred this finish on the sides as well, because here you don't have any fingerprints marks here. As you can see, no matter how much you touch it, you won't have any fingerprints marks. But on the sides here, it's shiny, of course, but it's also prone to fingerprints. In the color, you can also get another colors, but I have chosen black because black blends well with a lot of setups. So I think if you want to buy this box, go for black. And then on the underside here, we have this is for this two rubbers. This is for grip. If you put on the table, it will not slip because of these two rubbers. You see when we test it that it will not slip. Otherwise, if it was only this material, it will be a little bit slippery on the table. But with these rubbers now, they increase the resistance, and your Android TV box will be steady. So now let's connect our TV box. So let's turn our box on and see. So that's our Ematic logo. There it goes. Let's wait for it to boot up. Remember, this is the first time, so it might take a little bit of time. All right, so this is to enable Google Assistant. You do the setup, and then you do the pairing. So there you go, connected successfully. And then now we can choose our language. So I use English, so I'll click on English. And then now we'll just skip some of these things. There we go, it's connecting now. All right, our internet is set. Let's see what our box has to offer. So obviously, when you're using your box now, later on you will not be doing all this, because this is just the first time setting up our box. That's why it's taking this much time. And then continue. Yes, I want to do all this application. Yes, continue for this one, because I will need all those applications: VLC, Explorer, Twitch, and I'll press continue. And then now it will install. Next, and then press enter. And like I said before, that when you're using it for the second time, you won't put all these details. All right, so here is our box. So as you can see on top there, we have our Netflix, we have our DSTV now, we have Showmax, YouTube, and then Google Play. So now DSTV now. It's opening now. It looks authentic. All right, there you are with your DSTV stream. So once you've logged in, you'll be able to play your DSTV now and Showmax as well. You need an account for that. And YouTube. All right, there is our YouTube. All right. Android TV box. Okay, so now we are seeing the videos with Android TV box as their title. So I'm going to choose this one. Okay, let's click and see if we're going to get good quality. Okay, so that's an 8. We'll skip the 8 and then, but as you can see, the 8, the picture quality is not really bad. It's not really bad. It's got good color. Maybe the camera is not doing justice, but what I'm seeing here is impressing me. The picture quality is well balanced. The colors are well balanced. All right, that looks okay. Okay, let's cancel. So that's your YouTube. So as you can see, you'll be able to access YouTube. You can also use your shortcuts. As you can see here, that if I just press Netflix here, this is a shortcut to go to Netflix. So you can see that it's already on Netflix. And then if I click, let's say Google Play, I'll press Google Play. And then it will also go straight to Google Play. So it means all those shortcuts are working properly. Yeah, so here we have YouTube here, we have Netflix here, and we have Google Play. Those are the shortcuts that we have. And then if you want to search for anything, you just come here on this button here, you press, and then you speak into it, and you'll be able to get your videos. Okay, let's try one more time with Google Assistant. MKBHD. All right, okay, so as you can see, our legion MKB is here. So it means our Google Assistant is working well. All right, let's go back and have a look at other applications. So I'll go to home. All right, and then here we have music. That's YouTube Music. We have Google Play Store. We have Google Games. We have VLC. And this for downloading. So let's just go and download something on our Play Store and see if we'll be able to download anything. All right, okay, I'll just go down and see if there's any application that maybe we can just download quickly. All right, let's go for this one. All right, and then now I'll press on install. All right, okay, so our red bomb is done downloading. Let's see if we can play. So as you can see, there's an option here to uninstall. Maybe after some time you want to clear up your space, you can just go and uninstall that application. But in the meantime, let's play and see. All right, there it is. The picture quality is fine. Looks okay, and it's not freezing. Maybe after some time it might freeze. I will do a proper review after a week or so. All right, okay, and then my age 16 plus, obviously. I don't even know how to play this game, so I'm just going to go back and cancel this. But we can see that our box is downloading, and you'll be able to play games as well. So you can also enjoy yourself while you're playing games. All right, so this is it. This is our box. So let us know what you think in the comment section if you would consider buying this box. But with what I've seen so far, I'm quite impressed. I will have to say the size of the box and the color and the finishing as well. It will blend well in most setups. So let us know what you think in the comment section. If you think this is something you might want to buy, and if you want to buy, go in the description. There's a link there. Follow that link and you'll be able to buy your box. My name is the Duke of Tech. See you on the next one.